Hey, what's going on? Ever wondered what really happens in your body when you have an organism? It's that awesome peak feeling. Today I will explain it step by step. Getting excited, your brain gets turned on, it sends signal down your back to your penis. Special nerves make blood rush in. Your penis gets hot like pumping up a balloon. It fills with blood, gets bigger and stiff. Your heart beats faster. A little bit stuff comes out to help things slide. Girls' clitoris does something like this inside but hidden. Building up, you are super turned on. Now, but holding steady, muscles in your bottom area tighten up. Your prostate, a little gland inside, starts filling with liquid. Your balls pull up a bit. Breathing gets quick. That this is the fun, almost there. Apart, take your time. It makes better. The big movement, two parts. First, mixing time. Nerve says go. Your body closer a door so nothing goes wrong. Tiny sperm swim in from your balls. Other juices from your prostate and sacs mix together in a tube. Then push time, muscles squeeze super fast like 3 to 5 quick pulses that shoots out 2 to 5 drops of white stuff. It feels like a huge wave of fire from your penis all over. Girls do not shoot anything, but their waves can keep going longer.
Observe the
Your brain is the
synchronized
boat
contractions of the
during
PC and
orgasm. Happy
bulbospongiosus
chemicals
muscles.
explode
These
in your
pulses
head.
squeeze
It
the
feels
urethra,
amazing,
propelling
like a
semen
reward.
outward. This is the mechanism
Another
of Kegel
technical makes you feel
exercises.
close and
Note the
chills
comparison
in
to the
girls'
female
brains
PC
too.
muscle. Testes,
We
Leydig
all
cells
share
glow,
that joy.
signaling sperm
Quick
production.
fetch
Sperm
your bottom
mature in the
muscles for the
epididymis,
partying.
gaining
They do
motility.
the
They travel
squeezing
through the
thing
vas
then.
deferens.
For better
Finally,
organisms, the
sperm
white
mix with
stuff
runts in
mostly
the
uses for
urethra.
energy. Only a teeny
A
bit is
prolactin
found. Your
surge
body makes
inhibits
it
dopamine,
all in 10
triggering
days.
detumescence and
Counting
muscle
down, another chemical
relaxation.
makes you relax. Your penis
This
goes
is
soft. You
unique to
can go
males.
again right away. That's
Females
normal for
rebound
guys.
quickly.
Girls can come back
Excitement,
quick.
blood
Why?
flow
Your
increases, causing
organism have to
erection and
have less
sensitivity.
chance.
Plateau,
Prostate
rhythmic
problems or
contractions
energy, better
expel
sleep
semen
is
at the
good for
pleasure
you.
peak. Resolution,
So
the
that's
body
the mystery, but the
relaxes,
whole
returning to a
explore feel
resting
like super
state.
cool down. It is not just about the